Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Elfsight to your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways of doing this. You can go and add the Elfsight widget to the Shopify website through the use of the code that you have, and there is a lot of things that you can do through this, and you can, I'm pretty sure, install everything in bulk, but the second option is a bit better for me. If you go to apps and search for Elfsight, and go to the Shopify storefront or the App Store, you'll get to this page. And as you can see, there is a lot of Elfsight integrations or Elfsight tools which you can use. You can just pick and choose whichever you want so that you don't have to install everything in bulk. For example, Telegram chat by Elfsight. Click on that, and as you can see, it is $6 per month, and I'm pretty sure most apps from Elfsight are priced like that. As you can see, I'm pretty sure all of them have the $6 per month pricing. Then you just go install, and then it'll take you to your dashboard where you just click install again, and once you click install, it'll start installing, and once it installs it, that's pretty much it. It has been added to your website, and you can use it to develop your store however you would like, and that is basically all you need to do. As you can see, it looks like this. You have the pricing table app, and you do need to approve the charge, and you have a 7-day free trial, but once that's done, you need to pay for it, but that is pretty much it. You can also request a free installation if you want, but that is not 100% that you'll be approved. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.